clear announcements from our beloved principal and our administrative assistant. And to give us the closing remarks, we have our faculty president, Filipino coordinator, and Brigada Eskwela coordinator, Miss Crescencia B. Arellano.
Okay, good afternoon, my dear students and parents. In behalf of the Lahog Night High School faculty and staff, I would like to say thank you for your support for the school year 2012-2013. As your Brigada coordinator, I for one would like to ask your help this coming May 20 up to May 25 for our Brigada Week. I would like also to ask the alumni if you have time to be with us. Please, if you have time, coordinate. We're going to clean and then fix whatever things we're going to fix. So parents, if you also have something to donate, I would appreciate to accept. It could be notebooks, paint, and then whatever things you want to offer. This is for our school for this school year 2013-2014. Okay? Okay, classes start will be on June 3. Okay? So again, we're hoping for this coming school year for Adapa School. Last year we have 30 students which we distributed notebooks, ball pens. So this time we're really looking for those deserving students. So if you have time, please be with us this coming Brigada Eskwela Week, this coming May 20 and then up to May 25. Again, thank you for your time. Thank you everyone. God bless.